Most people have eaten at McDonald's, but very few people have ever seen where it all started. And right here in San Bernardino, California, there's a small building that most drivers pass without realizing it's basically a museum, packed with decades of McDonald's history. So today, we're going to take a look around the original McDonald's site and museum and see what's actually inside. Alright, the first thing you notice pulling up here, this place definitely has the old Roadside America feel. It's not a giant building or anything flashy, just a small, simple structure sitting along the street, but it's covered in vintage fast food memorabilia. You've got these big old McDonald's signs, classic colors, and a bunch of retro displays out front. And right away you'll notice something interesting. There are old statues and vintage signage scattered around the property. Some of it looks like it came straight off old restaurants. Alright, let's head inside and see what they've got. Now right away, the first thing you notice is this place is absolutely packed. Every wall, every shelf, every display case is filled with something connected to McDonald's history. Over here you've got glass cases full of old packaging, vintage cups, wrappers, fry containers, all from different decades. Some of these designs go way back and look nothing like what you see today. You'll also see a lot of old advertising posters and photos showing what early McDonald's restaurants looked like decades ago. Different uniforms, different logos, different restaurant designs. It really shows how much the brand evolved over time. And what makes this place interesting is that it doesn't feel like a big corporate museum. It feels more like someone spent years collecting everything they could find related to McDonald's and put it together right here, which honestly makes it kind of fun to explore. So if you ever find yourself driving through San Bernardino, this is definitely one of those quirky roadside stops worth checking out. It doesn't take long to walk through, but there's a surprising amount to see inside the original McDonald's site and museum. Pretty neat knowing that the story of McDonald's started right here, in this neighborhood. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you at the next stop.